Hello sir, my name is Dhruv Arya and I am a student of section 11 and my roll number is 20IU10010. So for my DIY lab assignment 1 and 2, I have made 4 models using the FreeCAD software, out of which I have simulated one of that model in the Cura software for 3D printing. So the first model which I have created is this nice looking pretty vase, pretty twisted vase. For this, I have used 4 hexagons which I have placed at different height and at different angles, and then using the loft feature, I have get this final model. And then the second model which I have created is this mug. First of all, I have drawn 2 circles, and then using the pad feature, I have got this layered bottom, and then again the using the pad feature, I have drawn the upper part, and then making the this part of the mug, I have used baby curve lines for making the handle of this mug. I have also used the fillet feature for making these sharp edges into the curvy edges. And the third model which I have created is this. So the a basic outline of the model looks like this, and then using the revolve feature available in FreeCAD software, I have drawn this was a pretty looking was. The fourth the fourth model which I have created is this. So first of all, I have used for basic outline, I have used the octagonal shaped structure, and then I have used 4 octagons placed at different heights and at different angles, and then using the loft feature I have created this structure. And then I have also used the boolean part feature for cutting this part for turning that octagon into a star shaped like structure. And the basic design which you can see on the outer part of the model is done through the mesh feature which is available in FreeCAD software. And finally, I have saved this file as an STL file, and opened that STL file into the Ultimaker Cura software. So for this, I have kept for the dimensions of this 3D model, I have kept it as 100 across 100 and across 100. So basically, I have first changed the previously applied settings to certain different settings. So basically I have kept the infill density as 20%, and my infill pattern will be lines based pattern. And I have brought down the printing temperature to 200 and build print temperature as 80, and I want the print speed to be 60 millimeter per second. So for printing my 3D model, the 3D printer will took at least 5 hours 50 minutes to get my 3D printer print ready, 3D model ready. So my 3D model will look like this. So the basic outline. So the 3D printer first, how the 3D printer will start. So first it will start printing the basic base part, and after printing the base part, so after printing the base part, the base part will look like this, and then inflating the then continuing the whole portion, the my structure will my 3D model will look like this. And then I can save this STL file into the SD card, so it will generate a G code, and then I can import that G code into a SD card and then export that G code file through a 3D printer, and my 3D print will be ready, and my twisted washer will look like this after printing, after got printed. So thanks, this is all from my side. Thank you for watching my video.